Ah!
23 kilos.
Stunning.
F18. Yeah. Look at this thing. Let's get it in our box. Yeah.
Careful. Whoa.
What do we got?
That's a charger.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's your 10 amp charger.
Got the optional speaker attachment.
Whoa.
Oh, it doesn't come attached.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Wow.
Didn't realize what?
Didn't realize it had the orange accents on it.
Oh yeah. KingSong loves the orange. I believe you probably have to plug in the charger before you turn it on. So it's probably not going to turn on right now.
Okay.
So yeah, we'll be right back.
Interesting charge port location.
Side charge ports. That's handy.
One on each side.
So about 5 or 10 seconds. Hey, there we are. So now it's alive. So that means we can turn it on while it's on its kickstand.
Wow.
Oh, it's locked.
I got it. Crap, I connected to something else.
What did that connect to?
Oh, is that?
Oi.
Yeah.
We're in.
He's having a first go.
Free spin it.
Yeah, free spin. All right.
Free spin should be about 120, I think.
I'm also wondering about what the field weakening is set to, because we have that now on KingSongs. All right. 74% battery. Let's see what we get. There we go. Let's go. It does too. Oh yeah?
It's much nicer. They should be adjustable angle as well. And height adjustable.
Oi.
Yellow light.
Damn, it's bright. Yeah, you do the one, and then the next one, it does like all of them.
Okay, so the third one is full beam.
Full. Like, whoa.
And then you tilt them up so you can just really blind everybody.
We don't encourage that now, do we?
No,
Whoop!
okay. That sounds good.
Too bad.
Hiya!
Whoa.
And once again, he disappears and remembers that I can't chase him. Ken!
Now what I want to know is KingSong's soft mode settings. Leapicam and InMotion have really good soft modes. KingSong have just started implementing their pedal assist with the F22, which feels pretty good. It's pretty easy to use. Helps you get along a little easier for like a heavier wheel. Ride modes, KingSong calls it expert, intermediate, and beginner. The beginner is in soft mode. It's actually got a slider for each one.
Yeah.
So that makes it really flowy. You can see it just by pushing.
Yeah. So what mode's that one on?
This is beginner 0.
Oh, okay.
So this is as soft as it goes.
Okay.
Oh yes. That's good. On this sort of soft mode, it's actually quite rideable even without pads.
Yeah, that's definitely something to get used to.
Yeah.
That is very different from anything I've ridden.
So KingSong soft mode, it seems to behave more like a pedal assist. Or if you're used to Leapicams or InMotions, how they handle their pedal assists, that's what KingSong soft modes or beginner modes behave like. I think they're correct. But it's not everybody's cup of tea. But that's also the other thing about the KingSongs, the way that they behave, even in their hard modes. It's just, yeah, so that's super hard, rock solid mode. But normally, on these hard modes, they kind of have a weird effect where they're always trying really hard to balance just right, and if they're slightly off, they'll really kick it in, which makes them hard to pick up. But the KingSongs, it's actually quite manageable. And that's great for jumping, because it means when you're in the air, it's not trying to do anything funny. It's just, if it's balanced, it's okay. The wheel will just come to a stop mid-air. It's great.
Lovely.
You're supposed to be able to pump these up, right? So your left switch is just a double tap of the power button. Wow, that's loud. Here's where you pump up the shocks. So, unlike the Leapikins, the KingSongs just come in one weight. I believe these have a hybrid shock, so it's both air and coil. So you've got your coil spring here, and your air spring here.
Ooh.
Oh, sweet. Is this what came with it?
No.
KingSong give ya.
Yeah, did we even go that?
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, they give you...
Yeah, that's good. Better than this one.
Yeah, that is quite nice. Oh, the whole thing spins. Oh, okay. Okay, so it comes with about 60 PSI straight out of the box.
That's not too bad.
This is what I'm excited about.
Why, Ken?
Because that is your quick release motor.
Oh, yeah.
That's your access point to get into those two big bolts that hold the motor mounts in. Once you undo those on each side, that's 4 screws. Then these two little nuts here, you undo those, and then this little cover pops off. Then you can undo your Hall sensors, your phase cables and your Hall sensors. Right there. Whole thing comes right out.
And then,
Easy tire change.
wow.
Oh my gosh.
Incredible!
Ken's about to lose his job.
Wait, no!
It's gonna make Ken's life so much easier.
Yay.
I don't know what this is. I don't know if that's your holes or your... So this is your back pad. You can tell because it's got the little notch to get around this back rail. So then that fits on. Where the rest of them are supposed to go. What's that? Puppies run away.
Ah! Jesus.
Oh,
Hey. Hey. One of you could have taken the camera? No? Alright.
So when you really lean into it, it's just like a power assist. It will lean right forward with you, but then it gets to a point and stops leaning. So then it goes about this far, and then it's rock solid.
Yeah, so it leans, but it still holds you up.
And then the moment you let off just a little bit, it will just like start coming up right again, getting ready to go either way. I love it.
Yeah, it's a good thing that the manufacturers are going in this direction because it definitely helps with its acceleration. So.
All right, jump time. We'll go.
Oh, Jesus. Okay.
The landing is really nice and clean.
Jeez, alright. Yeah.
You can really feel the suspension travel.
Feel it.
Yeah. Very nice. Go to like that. Yeah, let's dial this up. Your compression.
Make it stiffer or?
Yeah. This will make it stiffer. So after we shower these compression things up, we should be able to see whether the compression is adding spring preload or compression dampening. Because they feel completely different. One of them feels like you're landing on a hard pillow, the other one feels like you're landing on a hard spring.
Thoughts and feelings?
Yeah, so I don't know if it's visible on camera, but that felt like a spring preload. So not so much compression dampening, but more of a, preload. So it's preloading the spring. Because it's definitely a lot harder. It's just, for like landings, it doesn't have like that kind of hard pillow feeling. But also, you got your rebound. It's a lot harder to turn. Oh, I thought you were going in.
So graceful.
Nice rebound. Oh yeah?
Oh, yeah?
That just makes the kickback on the landing a lot softer. So you land and it comes down and it doesn't just shunt your legs and
Okay.
ah. Can't wait until we can take it out to some big jumps.
Wonderful, eh?
Very nice.
Also, notice how much it's not spinning in the air?
I don't know, I didn't even realize. But yeah.
That's what I mean. You jump and it doesn't do any funny stuff with the wheel. No spin up, no back spin. It's just, you do the jump and it's just,
Chilling.
it just wants to cruise through the air. It's made for the air.
Yeah, so if you suck at jumping, get this one.
Ah, there you go.